Hey guys, welcome back to this perfect mess. Today again we are hanging out in the kitchen courtesy of Angela Adhiambo and Cynthia Adams. You guys, thank you so much for the support. Today's shout out goes out to you. We're starting to shout out people, so make sure you comment. Anyways, yeah, they're the people that when I posted the video on the meal preps, they said they want to see the full recipe of the salad. And I promise you guys, this is the best salad you'll ever make anywhere. You're going to enjoy it to the fullest. And I chopped everything. I prepared everything because I don't want to keep you here for long. I don't want to bore you with my cooking. So anyways, I have baby spinach here. You can use the normal spinach. The big spinach, the one we are used to. I have my grated carrot, I have cherry tomatoes, I have cabbage, and I have bell peppers. I'm using the yellow and the red one. The green one is not very nice when you eat it raw. And then of course here I'm making the dressing. I'm going to be using basil. You guys don't worry, some of it is wilted. I bought it like a week ago, but I didn't manage to make it, so it's wilted, but it still works. So I have basil, I have red wine vinegar over here, I have olive oil, I have honey, and I have Italian seasoning. You guys, Italian seasoning is not a must. You're supposed to use oregano. I hope that is the correct pronunciation, Lord. You're supposed to use oregano, but I forgot to buy oregano. So you guys, as I was saying, sorry, my camera died or whatever happened. So you're supposed to use oregano, but I forgot to buy it. So in place of oregano, I'm going to be using this Italian spice, but you're supposed to use oregano. So I'm going to first start with the dressing, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make it. So I pre-cleaned my basil. Don't start telling me I didn't clean my stuff. You can actually see the water. So I'm gonna put the basil. Oh, it's falling. I'm gonna put the basil in the blender and rinse this on, and then I'll add the rest of the stuff. Here you have to be very attentive to your Mother Africa or whatever helps you to measure. So me, I put until my ancestors whisper stop. So I'm going to go in with my Italian spice. That's the much I'm going to use. And then in with the extra virgin oil. Not a lot of it, obviously. This one, you can go as much as you want with the red wine vinegar, but just know vinegar is not really hot. You know that car? I don't know how to describe burning thing of vinegar. It's here, but this one is really nice, the red wine vinegar. So you can go as much as you want. Ooh, I already feel like I want to sneeze. And then honey. Now I know one of my friends is allergic to honey. I'm not sure what to use instead. So yeah, I use 2 spoons of honey. The thing with honey, it's like really thick. This dressing, there is nothing you can buy in the supermarket that tastes as good as this dressing. I promise. Okay. Using honey is not easy. Sticks everywhere. I'm going to put it here on the lid, and then I can use it to stir. So anyways, I'm going to blend this and make my dressing. So when you have this much leaves and just a little bit of liquid, because you don't want to add water, you're going to dilute it. So instead of adding a lot of water, what I do is keep pressing it down. The more it blends, I keep pressing it so that it can blend properly. If you lose the patience like I just did, you can add some more vinegar. Be careful. You can add some more vinegar to just make the liquid. Be careful, especially if you don't like that hotness of vinegar. You guys, it looks like the basil took so long to blend, and I didn't want to add a lot of water because I don't want to water it down. So you either have to be patient or water your thing down. So I just gave it some more time and kept turning it. So I'm going to go right into mixing this, but before then, you can use this spinach because they're just baby spinach. You can use them whole, but I want the dressing to get to every part of it, so I won't cut it into really small pieces, but I'll cut it into small, sizable pieces. Like I won't use the full leaves. So I'm going to chop my spinach. So guys, I am ready with everything. I cut my spinach into whatever size I could, and then now I have everything. I'll just mix them. So cabbage, and I have carrots. Well, I have the color, and then you can mix them in whichever order you like. Have my peppers. As I said, I used the yellow and red ones. And then my cherry tomatoes. I love these ones. You don't want to miss these cherry tomatoes. I don't cut them up, as you can see. So that's what I have in my bowl. And now I have to go in with the mixing. But at this point, you can also add your dressing. All of a sudden, it became like this. So you can pour your dressing on it and then mix as you go. I'll add all my dressing. Don't leave anything. There's some, you can decide to keep some for future use, but I just like it saturated. So guys, this is our end product and we are ready to serve. Personally, I just eat it like that with nothing. You can serve it with bread if you want, or whatever else you want to eat it with. Your life, your rules. So I'm just going to serve it in these bowls and we're ready to munch. This is the healthiest thing you'll ever eat. If you don't like spinach like Dennis, you can make this fresh. You can make this. Gosh, I'm spacing out. Sorry, guys. You can make this salad so that you can eat spinach because it has spinach, and I understand spinach is not for everyone. I like spinach cooked or uncooked. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and also let me know what else you want to see. Thank you so much for the support that you've given me the past couple of weeks, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you share with someone that you want to make the salad with. Bye bye.